here how to share an Evernote note and an Evernote notebook with another person. So here we are in the Evernote app for MacBook. We're going to start by creating a new note. To make things easier, I'm just going to drag in an image so we have a complete note. To make it a little easier to view, I'm going to open the individual note so that you can see it here. You see the notes up here. You can still and we're going to go over to the Share button, click Share Note. You'll see a box of prompt that lets you share it. You can determine the privileges you want to give to the person that you're sharing it. If they can just view the note, can they edit the note, can they invite additional people to the note. When you start typing someone's email, you can start typing their email address in, or you may have them already in your account. You can also give them an individual message if you'd like. And then you're going to be able to hit share, and the email will be shared with them. So you can see here. Now we're going to close this, and now that we know we've shared that, another way to see that is when you go to accounts over here, you'll be able to go and look at today and see everything that may have been shared with another account. Individual notes are stored here in the work chat. However, now we're going to share a notebook. So we're going to go over to notebooks, and now you can see here's a list of all the notebooks that there are. When you scroll down, you can see by this little symbol, a note is being shared with another person. So let's create a new note. It's called Learning to Share 2 as a note. See, I click that little box there, and we got another option of sharing the note. Again, the same box comes up. Unfortunately, because of the recording we're using, you're not seeing it. Would be a highlighted name with their symbol for their Evernote picture would be here, icon. The recording information I'm using is kind of blocking that from happening. Again, you can decide the rights that you want to give them to the notebook and share. So now you see both notebooks are being shared. So that's what it looks like to share. You again will be able to go in if you wanted to. Oops, apologize for that. If you right click or click and hit Control, you can manage and see how you're sharing this book and what rights they have. Now here, another little thing I'm just going to add on. You could see within the notebooks in this account, you get down to the NYT course information. This is a stack. So it's when you take a group of notebooks that are similar and you put them together. So since we have these two Learning to Share notebooks, I'm going to pull this right into the other one, and you'll see there's now a stack of notebooks. So if we double click on this, and we're going to scroll down, oops, you can see this is now a stack of Learning to Share, and the two notebooks are in there. So now you should be able to create a note and share it with an individual, or create a notebook and share it with an individual. Now I'm going to go over to, I'm going to open up this Share 1 notebook, which is shared with individuals, so you can see this item, this note here, to share from the 20th, is shared with one person, and I'm the person, you, that's me, are the person sharing the note. So when you're in a shared notebook, you can tell where the note originated. This note, I'm viewing one that was shared with me. So the person that I'm sharing this notebook with, they initiated the note. However, I do have abilities to edit the note because that's the rights that were provided to me. And the other individual will see that. So Hopefully this was useful information for you.